Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this part of this video, I'm gonna cook chicken soup, and then I'm gonna put this water pot. Of course, for that I'm gonna put this Maggi to make it more yummy. Of course, salt, sari di mare. Ayan. Salt yan guys. Dahil ganyan para lumambot ang ating chicken. Okay, after that more cubes. Of course, huwag natin kalimutan ang ating sinigang para mais yan. Ang ating sinigang ay ito siya, sinigang sampalok mix. Takpan muna natin rice for tomorrow, and then we have this cabbage and upo guys. Lagyan din natin ng chili para may twist na anghang. Parang may gusto sa anghang. Mga kalamion, kaya natin yan. Lagi kong fruits. Yan siya guys. Wait lang natin until mag-boil. So